Hey everyone, what's up? It's Steph here. I hope you're having a wonderful morning and you have a great week planned. Today we're doing a plan with me. We do this every week on Sunday morning, or at least we've started up doing it again. I love doing this. I love getting everything that I have to remember out of my brain onto paper so I can just look at it for the rest of the week and know what I have to get done. This is mine from last week. You can see my children have been helping me fill it out, but always remember, you're not a slave to this piece of paper. It's here to serve you and help you stay on track and just generally remember what you have to get done. My goal every week is to get most of it done most of the time. I don't beat myself up if I get, 0 check marks, and if it's only 1 check mark, hey, that's one celebration, something I got done. If you haven't had a chance to grab your weekly cleaning schedule, head down to the description. I always put it right there at the top. Just click the link. It's totally free. You download this and you fill it out. Make it work for your life. One other really fun announcement I have is about 3 or 4 months ago, my sister Jill and I started a Facebook group basically just to keep everybody accountable to the 21 baby steps, the Fly Lady system, all the stuff we talk about on this channel. It's called Secret Slob Accountability Group. And so if you head over to Facebook, we actually reached 10,000 members this week. And so we're super excited about that and decided that it'd be a really good time to do a live Q&A. So today, right after this video is done, I'm gonna be over there on Facebook live answering any questions you have about the weekly cleaning schedule or Fly Lady or zone cleaning. Whatever questions you have, jump on over to Facebook, join us in the accountability group, and my sister and I will be there answering questions, just celebrating getting to 10,000 awesome people who are all coming together to support and encourage each other. All right, so let's start planning. Grab your sheet. We're gonna get a new one. This one's old. I just put that one away. Get a fresh sheet. It's a new week. We're starting fresh. Any mistakes you made last week, just let it go. It's behind you now. So let's start fresh this week. Have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to talk to you live right after this over on Facebook. Okay, so I have my fresh weekly cleaning schedule here, but I want to show you last week's and just show you where I kind of miss things. I'm still not super good at doing the swish and swipe. I usually get it done about 3 times a week because I have the 3 bathrooms. And then the hotspot kind of got put to the side. And zone cleaning, I really just didn't do that great. My daughter filled them out for me, but I did 15 minutes. And you know what? Good enough is good enough. I got all of my weekly home blessing done on different days. Most of my plan and pay, I actually skipped my anti-procrastination, but I did pretty good. Most of the things, most of the time, and that is really all we can hope for. Okay, so we're putting last week behind us, fresh sheet, it's a new week, let's get started making a plan. I always have my plan from the week before beside me, just makes it easier to transfer everything over because a lot of it is really the same. Every morning I'm doing make the bed, I'm aiming to dress to shoes, unload my dishwasher, start a small load of laundry, and then swish 1 bathroom. So in the afternoon, I always do my power tidy. I'm doing about 15 floor checks today, so I probably don't even need it on the routine list. It's just happening so many times. I am also in the market for a new vacuum. I want to get a cordless stick vacuum, so if anyone has any suggestions, let me know in the comments. I have to put that laundry away every day or it piles up. I do a 2-minute hot spot. I start the dishwasher. Prepping for tomorrow is a must with little kids, and even just for myself, it makes such a difference in the morning. And the last thing we do before we sit down on the couch and watch our favorite shows is shine up the sink. So with all of these tasks, do your best to set yourself up to make it as easy as possible and as automatic as possible. You don't want to have to think extra hard about these things. Just get them done and move on with your day. Okay, so moving on to zone cleaning. We're in zone 1 this week. We're looping all the way back around, which I call my welcome home zone. It's my dining room, front porch, my garage, and the entranceways. So something I know I need to go through is my entrance closet, especially with winter coming. I need to purge a bunch of coats out of there and just check that everything in there is stuff we're using. I'd like to get my front windows done, and also the lights I noticed have a few little spidery webs on them. I want to head out to my patio before the snow really flies, give it one last sweep, clean off those front entryway lights before they freeze, and then I'm going to shower my plants in the dining room. That should probably all take me about an hour. Whether I do it all in one straight hour or break it up into 15-minute chunks, I'll just do my best to get it done. And if I don't get those things done, I'll loop around in a few weeks and work on them then. So for daily focus, Monday is always weekly home blessing for me, or, sometimes it takes me all week, but Monday's the day I try to start. I always do get my sheets changed, garbages and mirrors done, and usually I put off the vacuuming, mopping, and dusting till the end of the week, but all good. Tuesday is plan and pay. I don't have a lot of bills right now because it's the beginning of the month, but I have to track down some sofas that I ordered about 2 months ago and find out where they're at. I'm going to try and put up some Christmas lights outside because it's supposed to be quite nice this week. And then on Thursday, I have pedicures with my friend. I don't know if they're actually going to be on Thursday, but we are planning to do it this week. So I'm going to just put it under the self-care Thursday, which I didn't cross out, but self-care is what I'm putting in place of errands. It's a good errand, getting a pedicure. And then on Friday, my diaper bag needs a huge clean out and I have to drop some stuff off at the thrift store. It has to happen. And it's in the back of my car right now. So cleaning out my car with a thrift store drop off. For menu planning this week, I'm seriously not feeling creative right now. I don't know if it's the winter that makes me just want to curl up and read books and not really do anything. But anyways, I got out my list of go-to meals that just helps me think of things. So as you're making these meal plans, put them all onto a master list as well. So then when you go to have to think of things, you already have kind of a list of inspiration. I can link to mine below. It's just a Google Doc, but if you want to have some ideas of things I make all the time, they're just on there. So I'm going to put tacos, and I saw corn on the cob at the grocery store, so I'll probably pick some of that up. We'll do our bun salad. We love bun salad. We call it, it's like a Vietnamese noodle salad type of thing. It's really good, and I have tofu left over still after my overbuy of tofu. Probably do a pot roast. That's really nice for winter. And a stir fry. We have some nice beef, or even actually we have some elk that my friend gave us. So maybe I'll do an elk stir fry. That would be so good. I'm kind of running out of ideas, so I'll put down leftovers or takeout because that's always something we end up doing. And then soup. It's winter. Soup's easy. I'll probably just throw something together, make a fridge soup. And then I think the last thing I'll do is make your own pizza. My family really likes doing this. It's kind of fun. It's super easy for me. And like I say, I'm feeling more inspired to lay on the couch right now than I am to make food. So I'm just going to keep it easy this week. I don't have too much planned for the weekend, and I don't really have anything to write in reminders. Things are kind of winding down around here, which is probably a good thing because Christmas is coming, and then it gets super busy. Hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope I see you on Facebook here in just a minute.